I think having real trust in the company you're working with is crucial. It's always easier and much more productive if a client comes to us and says, hey, we've got X amount to work with and this is what we're hoping to achieve out of it. It gives us a solid starting point to be able to help the customer with their job and to work out where we can save money and make allowances for the job. We've worked on 10K joinery jobs right through to 500K joinery jobs, so there's not much we haven't seen. So if we know what your budget is and if we know exactly what your end vision is for the project, we can really try and help you achieve that. So if you're in need of some genuine advice, don't hesitate to give us a call or even send us an email. We're always here to help you.